Okay, well, here we go. Here we go. This is going to be an audio test. Hi, this is audio test number take 2. Already screwed up one. I got an iPod Touch, and I'm going to start it on video now. And you can see that it's now recording on my lavaliere microphone right here. And I have a phantom power box so that I can walk out there and you can still hear me. I'm going to put this in my pocket and hope that it doesn't turn off. And I'm also going to do an audio sync. Let me gather these arrows. This is from take 1. I couldn't. I'm using iMovie on the iPad, and it is very limited software, and that's exactly what I want. But there's got to be a workaround where I can sync audio and video. Okay, hold on one second. I'm gonna go get my bow because I forgot my bow. So this is kind of interesting. You're gonna have a whole bunch of blank video. But here, I'm gonna put my arrows in. I'm going to get my bow. And this is kind of a demonstration again how I can go all the way into the house and still have audio and talk to you about whatever it is that I'm filming, which happens to be archery right now, or it could be a few other things that I'm interested in. So, but seeing that we're just practicing, and I'm just trying to get things out in the public that are absolute scud practices, just try to do any video, bad video. This is about making a bad video. This is about, I guess I'll get back on camera now. Hi, I think you can see me. See me now? All right. So here's my arm guard. Here's my longbow. I got my arrows. I got my sound and vision. And we're going to attempt to practice making a video away from the recording camera with an iPod, iPhone over there, iPod over here, and all of it is mixed on the iPad. So here goes. Shot number 1. I was shooting a little high last time, so here goes. That was a good shot. That was a pie plate. Let's go over here. Let's see if you can see me from here. How's this for a shot? Right here. That was close to the pie plate. Good elevation. Now we're going to shoot one from here. This is about 15 yards. 20, maybe 15. Oh, that was a little high. Okay, I got 2 more arrows left. This is going to be at 22 yards here. Oh, that was low, but still within the target boss. Here's my final shot. This is at 27 yards. And I haven't shot for a couple weeks, so my longbow is a bit off, but here goes. Oh, that passed through the target. It was low, but not too bad. But it did pass through my straw bales. So, here we go. Apples. I got apple season coming up. That's why we do apple cider here. All right, what did I do last time? See, this isn't the hard part. The hard part is syncing it on iMovie in iMovie on the iPad, because I want to stay off the computer if at all possible. So anyway, there you go. I'm going to try it. If it mixes, then you'll see it. If it doesn't, it'll be lost in the annals of time. See you later.